Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to be looking at generic classes in TypeScript. So in the last tutorial, we looked at generics and how to work with generic functions. And now we're looking at generic classes in TypeScript. So let's just jump into it. So I just going to go ahead and navigate to my VS Code right here. So I have this code snippet pasted in here. So since we have covered generic functions, this should now be for you, easier for you to understand. So we just created a class called generic class, and we're going to give it a type, right? A generic. And basically, we just say a book, and it's going to be of type of that list of those generic classes. That's basically it. So if you ever apply to create an instance of, you're going to go ahead and pass in the class. We call it create an instance of the class, and it's going to be of type book, and just going to say new book, and it's going to have an object as a passing as a to the constructor of this specific interface, right? Book title and a book outer. So that will be passed in, and we also have the constructor which accepts a book, which is going to be a list, and that's why we pass in a list of that object, right? So you can have multiple books. So I can just simply copy this right here, copy this and simply paste it again here, and this is going to be first, book is going to be second, and it's also going to be let's say John Doe. Okay, so once I have that done, if I go back in here into the terminal, you can see I have those books. I have the first book, the second book, and also the third book, right? So I have another book right here added, which is the third book, right? So this is going to be third, and also this is going to be yeah, let's just leave it as it is, so you can see that information right here. So you can see we have the first book, second book, and then the third book, right? So all being added in there. So basically, that's basically how we can work with generics in generic classes in TypeScript. So that's basically it. So you can see you can also have this add book, and it's going to take in an argument which is going to be of type T. Basically, so I call the add book, and I simply pass in that basically a type which is there of type book, because this class is going to be of type book, right? The class is a generic class of book. So that's basically how you can work with TypeScript, or basically generics in classes within TypeScript. So you can also get book, which is going to have a return type of array, which will basically return to us all the books. So if I go ahead and say book details dot get book, and you can see right here, it's returning to me all the books. So this line is what is trying to me for me all this book output. So that's basically how we can work with generic classes in TypeScript. So if you guys have any question about generic classes, you can let me know in the comment section below. I will do my best to get back to you. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you like the video, you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you share this content with anyone who you think might find it helpful. Make sure that you like the video for the algorithm. Okay, and thank you guys for watching. And next video, we're going to go into type narrowing in TypeScript. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Keep safe.